Okay. This is the parcel that we order. LCD
Realme C2.
Realme C2, which is not in condition. Realme
C2.
C2. Cannot be touched in the middle. The middle is not functioning.
Battery. Kitoy.
Okay, assembled.
Power.
Power.
Battery makikwan.
Lobat. Okay. Power on. It's not yet in power.
Kalungan siya naman. Hindi na. Kurot na rin. Mukha.
Okay. Switch the power on. Really. As you see po, it is functioning. The power on is functioning. Let us wait for the display. Now you see the logo.
Karoon pa man ibalik ang customer agad.
Okay. See? Okay.
Let's go to setting.
You see, the middle screen is not functioning. That is the problem. The middle screen of the LCD cannot be this is not functioning. You connect the charger. The upper part is functioning. The lower part is functioning, but in the middle, it's not functioning. The middle is not functioning. The upper part, when you touch the upper part, it will function. In the lower part will function. But in the middle, touch cannot touch. It's not functioning. That is the problem.
Thank you.
Okay.